an array of k linked lists. Each linked list is already sorted in ascending order. The challenge is, how do we merge them all into one single sorted linked list? Let's look at some examples. There are several ways to solve this problem. In this video, I'll walk you through one of the most efficient approaches, using a min-heap. I'll be using sieging for the implementation, since I think it's one of the clearest ways to explain the idea.
Here's how it works.
First, we start with a Foreach loop. We have an array of linked lists, and loop through each one using a simple Foreach. If the list is not empty, we take its head node and add it to the min-heap. The min-heap is just a priority queue, it always keeps the smallest value on top. In sieging, we can use a sorted set, which keeps elements ordered using a custom comparison rule. We define it with comparer. Create. First, compare their values. The smaller value comes first. If two values are the same, we compare their hash codes. Since sorted set doesn't allow exact duplicates, the hash code acts as a unique ID, ensuring nodes with the same value are treated as distinct. The Foreach loop sets up our heap. Now the merge begins. We create a dummy node as a placeholder, and a pointer called current to build the new list. Each time, we take the smallest node from the heap, attach it to the merged list, and move current forward. We repeat this process until all nodes are merged. A quick note, you should use a null check. It will help your code with long-term maintainability and ensure optimal performance across different input sizes. So, this is our complete code and how it works.